Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add leading zeros in Excel. Let's get started. When you need to enter data starting with 0 in an Excel table, the leading zeros get automatically removed in Excel, and eventually only the number itself shows in the cells. But there are at least two ways to sort this out. The first one can be applied before the numbers are entered into the table cells. In this case, you can simply format the cells as text. Here's how. Select the cells which you're gonna work, then right-click and opt for Format Cells. In the category field, choose Text and hit OK. Now when you input leading zeros, Excel will keep them in the same format as you entered. As soon as we're done adding the leading zeros, Excel mark each cell with a little green triangle in the corner, signaling that the numbers are formatted as text. Click on the mark, choose Ignore Error, and continue with your work. Simple as that. Moving on the second approach, applicable when the numbers are already in the table. Right-click on the data area, select Format Cells, but this time opt for Custom. In the field provided, input as many zeros as the number of digits you want the cells to display. For instance, if you desire 5-digit numbers, enter 5 zeros and press OK. Excel now adds leading zeros aligning the figures to the desired format. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.